is Nicholas Otieno, and I work for an organization known as the Kenya Association for the Welfare of People with Epilepsy. Now, this year we've decided to come to Kisii to celebrate with the people in Kisii. The celebration will be about the International Epilepsy Day, which is usually celebrated on the second Monday of every February. So this year we've decided to do it in Kisii because we've worked with the Kisii County government for like a whole year since last year, and we are looking forward to having a stigma walk about epilepsy. After the walk, we will also be having a premiere and a watch party of our film, The Curse of Stigma, which really explains the challenges that persons with epilepsy are going through within the community. So this will happen on Monday 10th February, which the walk will start at the Kisii County Cultural Hall, and we will go around the market. We will be communicating with the community, the border guys, explaining to them why we are walking and giving information about epilepsy. So the main purpose of this walk is to empower the community and inform them that epilepsy is not a curse. Basically, we are demystifying the misconceptions and the myths that are associated with epilepsy. So we want the community to understand that epilepsy is not a curse. These people are not possessed by demons, and these people are just as any other human can be. Epilepsy is a treatable disease, and if you come to health facilities, you will be treated and you will live your life just like any other person within the community. So we are basically telling the community to allow these people to come to health facilities, get treated, be part of the community, be accepted within the community, and be given a chance to live just like any other person in the community. So that is basically what we will be doing during the walk. Then at the watch party, it's a film that basically talks about the plight of persons with epilepsy within the community. So we want the people within the Kisii County to understand the troubles that persons with epilepsy go through within the community. Then we tell them on how to help and support persons with epilepsy so that they can live their life just like any other person within the community. So basically, this will entail the stars who are featured in the film. They will be present at the session. We will be having expert talks within that setup. So people will be talking about the challenges they are going through. We will have experts explaining the solutions on the challenges that the persons with epilepsy are going through. Then we will have some fun and have a good time. It will be an open session where we will be having a red carpet. And we will also be having photo sessions to make it exciting and to make people understand epilepsy in an exciting and an entertaining way. So basically, we are inviting everyone. The watch party will be at 2 at the Kisii Cultural Hall. So basically, that is what will happen on Monday. That is the 10th of February 2025, and we will be celebrating the International Epilepsy Day. The myths and misconceptions that the community really believes in is that persons with epilepsy are cursed. Some people believe that these people are possessed by demons, and some people also believe that if you touch a person with epilepsy, you'll get epilepsy. Epilepsy is not a contagious disease, and it cannot be transmitted from one person to another. So persons with epilepsy should be allowed to marry or be married to persons with epilepsy or to persons without epilepsy. So it is not a disease that can be transmitted from one person to the other. So there's also those people who believe that epilepsy can be treated through witchcraft. The witches and the witch doctors are really taking advantage of persons with epilepsy, and they are making them pay a lot of money, while epilepsy can be treated at the lowest level of health facility with proper drugs and proper medication. We have situations where persons with epilepsy are also sent out of schools. We want to encourage the community to embrace these people. They be accepted in school institutions, they be accepted at workplaces, they be accepted at social places, and even in churches, because we have seen areas where persons with epilepsy are isolated and some of them are locked out, and they are locked in some room somewhere. So we are urging the families of persons with epilepsy to bring these people out so that they can be treated and they can be allowed to maximize their potential, because they have potential just like any other person within the community, and if given that chance, they can be productive within our society. On Tuesday, we will be having another event that will be on 11th of February 2025. We will be having our CAPS survey. CAPS basically means Knowledge, Attitude and Perception Survey that we did in Kisii County to understand what challenges are in Kisii County about persons with epilepsy. So this will happen on Tuesday, and it will happen at the Kisii Cultural Hall, where we will be giving a report about the knowledge, attitude and perception survey that we did within Kisii County, and we are inviting anyone so that they also understand the challenges that are happening within Kisii, so that they have the right way to sort the challenges within the community. It will be involving experts and professionals within the epilepsy world, so that a solution is got